Hey guys, are you guys ready to play in the snow? Yeah, Jeffy. Where are we? We're at Joe's house. As you can see, there's basically a lot of snow. Yeah, Jeffy, I noticed snow everywhere. How was school? Well, it was good, Daddy. It was good? Yeah. Wow. That's pretty cool, right? This is a pretty cool place. It's all snow, Jeffy. Hi. Yeah. Hey, Jeffy. Is this your first time? Is this your first time coming to Brick, Jeffy? No. I mean, it's my first snow day here. I never played in the snow here except now. Yeah, I remember like I think it was either last year or this year, but we made like a winter video. Yeah, I think it was last year. Cause winter would be December 21st, I think. Hey, Jeffy, you better not eat the snow because yeah, Jeffy, hey, Daddy, there's 2 feet of snow. Yeah, we're gonna show you how deep it is in a minute. Hold on. So it's all shovel, but it's like this, and there's no hills. There's no piles of snow here. Jeffy, don't eat. Jeffy. I think it's good. Jeffy, why don't you eat the snow? I eat snow. Jeffy. Oh, I see yellow snow. I see yellow snow there. There's not even yellow snow over there, Jeffy. It's all white. You're racist, Daddy. Jeffy! I see yellow snow. Jeffy. It tastes like lemonade. No, you eat it as AP. Yo, Jeffy, go in timeout. Why? You eat snow. I like eating snow. It tastes good. Go inside, Jeffy. Ooh. Jeffy. Go inside. Oh my God. Jeffy, be careful with the ice. What? Oh! Hey, Danny, what's wrong with Phoebe? I mean Jeffy. He's still with ice. Well, it's all snow. Yeah, Phoebe. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna snow those. That's the best of it, but because I'm a puppet. Yeah, Phoebe. Please don't tell me you're gonna eat the snow like Jeffy did. Well, I'm not gonna eat the snow, but I'm gonna lick it. What do you mean? Tastes good. Phoebe, go inside. I like the snow. I don't care. Phoebe, go inside. Phoebe, if you sip too. Oh, I just fell. Daddy. Daddy, I just fell. And there's a big mountain of snow right here. Phoebe. Phoebe. Mario. What? Why is Phoebe doing that? I don't know what Phoebe's doing. Well, I think Jeffy and them are like the stupidest people ever. More. Yeah, I know. I took my job. My job, instead of a firefighter, it's a snow fighter now. What? It doesn't even exist. What the frick is he doing? Is it going under you? I'm going under you. Show the tunnel. Wait, I gotta make it more deep so you can actually see it. Right there. You can probably see it. Broken guy, what happened to you? I made a tunnel under your girlfriend. You made a tunnel? Yeah. Luckily, the snow has fallen. I bet she gives up at my fall. Yeah, we're under here now. Bro, I'll break this here. I can't see. I have snow on my face. Broken guy. Yeah. Why are you in the snow? It is good. The snow tastes exactly like water. Okay, here, we'll see you again. There it is. Right there. Broken guy. I'm gonna go find some snow. Snow. What the? I fell. Mario, where are we? Over our church. That's what. Marvin, what is this? That's the tunnel that Broken Guy made. And why is there a tunnel? I don't know. Marvin, I think I'm gonna go cycle. Marvin! What? It's a baby! Marvin! Marvin, you should have some fun. I'm gonna do this. I can't make it. Wait, that tunnel's still there. It is. It's still under you. I'm not seeing it anymore. Well, the tunnel's not gonna. If it was soft, it might have fallen. Like if it was sand, it might have fallen. Well, it might be here for now, but when it starts melting, it'll fall. Like here, eventually it'll melt. Like right now, there's a lot of snow, but eventually it'll melt. Yeah. Eventually it'll melt. Marvin, don't you dare break it. I'm not gonna break it. I'm gonna tan. I need to put sunscreen on. You know what? Like a bomb. Snow screen. Marvin, no. You said to Jeffy and Phoebe not to do it. So why would you do it? The thing is, baby, I don't give a fuck. Marvin, we're getting a divorce. I don't need a hoe, bro. Oh, Marvin! I can't even watch Charlie. What hole? I'm gonna dig a hole. I can't do it. I'm weak. I'm gonna watch Charlie. I guess I can eat. I'm hungry. Oh, it tastes like water. I want something else. Chef Pepe, I want some snow. I want some melted snow. Chef Pepe. Ah, Bowser! I do. I'm basically poor. Yeah, but now you're poor, Joseph. Usually there will be grass, but there's snow. Usually I would need grass, but there's no grass. There's snow. There's still grass under the snow. Oh, no, there's snow now. The grass will come back. Joseph, do you think it just snows grass? No, grass is grass. Joseph, you're dumb as fuck. No, I'm not, dude. There's grass under snow. You just can't see it. I don't believe you. I'm gonna eat snow. That's where Bowser's ass was. I don't know. Someone was mean this. I'm surprised that didn't break. Oh. I'm gonna go eat some more stuff. Joseph, there's literally grass under the snow. Cody? No, there isn't. Junior, you just said it. No, you said that there was grass under the snow. I didn't even say anything. Junior, there's grass under the snow. No, grass is grass. Yeah, dude. You guys are dumb. That's why you got gusky F's. Wait, you didn't want to put your face in boiling water. Ow! Cody, I'm going inside. You're a disgrace, Junior. You are a disgrace. You know, all you guys don't know how to party. You gotta look. So wait, it's very deep. Oh, it's hard over here. Wait a minute. It's so deep. All right, you ready, guys? This is how you do it. Wait, no, don't sink yet. It's sinking. All right, guys. I'm gonna jump into the snow. Whoa, and the cameraman. All right. 3, 2, 1. Oof! I just splat myself into the snow. Do it again. They're not falling. Oof! All right. Now it's the puppet's turn, and there's a really big dip over here. It looks shallow, but it's really not. As you see. Oh, Sonia! I could do higher than that.